Damn, Gabby, thick than a bitch. Walk inside the spot and we wide than a bitch. Ain't no Cupid shuffle, but we dancing in it, bitch. Niggas say they swaggin', but they swag do not exist, baby.
What's up?
KT Squad, we're back with another video.
We're back with another one. And we got back out of them home challenges. We're just doing that because we've been we've been kind of busy, but we about to get back into our favorite place, Walmart. And today we're gonna be doing a fake fart prank on people. So we're gonna be standing beside people, have our phone, get on YouTube, and we're gonna be acting like we farted. So we're gonna get some reaction. She gonna say that she gonna do some other extra stuff, but we're gonna see if we can get this video done. And we're gonna get back into the flow of doing more fun
videos, because we know them other videos was boring. We know y'all didn't even want to watch them. So
we just did that because we needed something else.
We can tell because it be comments when y'all watch the whole video. Y'all watch the video, y'all just click on it. You can see there ain't 0 comments.
What is she doing? We can see watch time. So.
That's smell shit. That's smell shit. Do something else, man. Don't. Excuse me. Okay. Excuse me. Excuse me, ma'am. Excuse me, ma'am. Do you know where the bathroom is?
Sure don't. That's the lady over there.
Ooh.
Okay.
You know where the nearest bathroom?
You know bathroom?
What?
Bathroom?
Go front there.
Go front. You gotta help me.
Front. Over there.
You know where the bathroom?
No, bathroom. Go
Oh, I don't know if I can hold it.
Hey. Emergency, come on down there.
I got it. I see it. Ooh.
Excuse me. My bad. Oh, excuse me. Oh, that one slipped from me. No, let that get away from me. My bad. Ooh. Ooh.
Was that you? Okay. It gets away from. Took a little bit of Pepto-Bismol. Gotta get my daughter out of the way. Oh. You know where the restroom is? Okay.
Here. You know what my shoes is? What size is these? Gosh, my stomach hurt. You know what the lactose milk? I drink a little milk. Yeah. Oh my gosh. Oh Lord. Oh. Christian, did you get my pills? Christian. Christian, did you get my pills? You know I can't leave the house. Christian, did you get my pills? You know I can't leave the house. Oh my gosh.
Yeah.
Bitch, I don't wanna play ball, I wanna fuck your bitch in the bathroom stall. See-through bitch on Adderall, jigaboo whip that, hold 'em all.